Kwiyeheria kwa David Murathe ta munini wa muikariri giti wa kiama kia Jubilee no guthiite na mbere gututhura Mawoni ngurani gatagati ka muingi undumwe na utongoria amwe makiyukia ndeto ino na moko meri. Kuringana na mubunge wa Sirisia John Waluhe, kwiyeheria gwake ti kuiganu na no mwaka mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta eyumirie na ataririe kana Murathe akoretwo akeria handu-ini hake na oho ayane murugamo wake wige kioneki kia munini wa mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto hindi ya githurano kia mwaka wa 2022.
I want to know who is sending Murathe to talk about the deputy president, the deputy party leader, and I want our president to come out very clearly.
Waluke na Halima Musheke uria ni mubunge wa guthukio muigite kiama kia Jubilee kio biro thutha unyitaniri gatagati ka atongoria matiganite na wetegirwo ni kuhaguka ni undu wa andu kiumbe eyed.
We did not expect Murathe to say whatever he's been saying about the deputy president who was elected together with the president. We as members of the party, we believe in both of them, and Jubilee is like the setting of the party is just like a homestead.
Gukiri uguo ni muritie mutongoria wa bururi etikire gutia merio yake ya gukanyita Ruto baru wona arikite na ria keri na ria muthia gituro-ini kia president
10 term. The person who brought it out was the president of this republic, President Uhuru. And I even want the media now to bring the clip where the president said 10 him, President Uhuru, 10 William Ruto.
Ambunge ningi ni mahithuritie mubango wa ambunge uria ukoretwo githakirwo rungu rwa metha wa gufunja ambunge 12 undu uria waya kuhinyiriria Kenya gucoka ndebe-ini ringi.
85% of us members of parliament are busy signing. We want this parliament, the 12th parliament, to be dissolved. We go and seek a new mandate from the people of Kenya. We are tired of what is going on.
Maya magithiaga na mbere gavana wa kaunti ya Nakuru Kinyanjui augite njatukano iria ikoretwo ho thiini wa kiama kia Jubilee yahota kuotomia mubango uria ukoretwo ho wa kunyitathania muingi naho kwigucia kwa mihango ya thirikari ya ukinyaniria cioneki ciayo kuri muingi.
Munene wa bururi ni aheanite mibango iria bururi wagirwo gukorwo kiumirira ikorwo igitweheria maitho-ini maitu hau na tukorwo ningi twina thina makiria ya uria tukoretwo tukienda kubanga. Koguo ihari tukorwo ati tiothe kuma mwena yothe ni ati uhoro wa succession kana debate ya succession chitiagirire kihinda-ini giki.
And now unfortunately that has now brought to the fore this conversation about whether Jubilee as a party is split. Again, this is in my opinion a conversation that is really not neither here or there.
Kiama kia Jubilee gikoretwo gikienyenya kuma githicio tariki 9 mweri wa 3 mwaka muhituku gatagati ka mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta na mutongoria wa ODM Raila Odinga undu uria warehire ngunyiriri gatagati ka aria makoretwo makinyita mbaru kioneki kia William Ruto giukahurana giturwa kia president mwaka wa 2022 merio ya Murathe iria koretwo kirekererie kirehe njatukano na makiria. Gerifotera Kameme TV retora kwa Nenugari wa Kamau.